tried it over and over and over again and it would never explode. Already? Yeah.
You're up here.
Well,
Yeah.
man,
I'm looking at this.
you can look back here.
I like to be first in the show.
Turn off your lights. Woo!